Today, I want to talk about, honestly, a strategy that our team is using pretty heavily, really to kick off the year. One thing we're really stretching right now is super URLs, but it's not just the basic super URLs, right? Because, super URLs, it's not a new strategy, guys. It's something that's been around for a very long time, but something that, not necessarily new to the game. Helium 10's GEMS software. And what's really cool about this software is it's actually free. You don't have to have a Helium 10 account, which is great. And essentially what they do is they give you a platform to create these different super URLs that just have different capabilities. So what our team's essentially doing, and as you guys already know, is we work across tons of different brands doing different things, needing different things done for them, right? Just different goals and everything like that. So keeping these goals in mind, our team does create different super URLs for just different situations. So, I'm going to go ahead and go through just the different super URLs that Helium 10's GEMS has to offer. And then, once I'm all done, I'm going to put in the post the URL you guys should go ahead and check out Helium 10's GEMS. So the first one that you can create is a two-step brand URL. You can basically use this URL to target specific keywords when sending customers to Amazon by restricting products by brand and keywords. So this way you have more control over what it is going to when there's an actual keyword involved and everything like that. We've had a lot of people that are asking us, oh, I'm seeing other brands below when I make a super URL. Using this, you should be able to avoid that. So then there's also two-step via hidden keyword URL. You can use this URL to target specific keywords when sending customers to Amazon by restricting products using an ASIN as a hidden keyword. So this is a great strategy. Just have that hidden keyword in there, really just trying to get customers to purchase while it looks like they are on that keyword. So then there's two-step via field ASIN URL. This URL will target specific keywords when sending customers to Amazon and restrict ASINs using the ASIN field section within Helium 10. Then there's a canonical URL, search engine friendly Amazon URL, where you will submit 5 keywords for a given ASIN. There's the add to cart URL. That's really our favorite right now. That's one that we are using really heavily here at Turnkey, where essentially it sends traffic directly to the add to cart page where customers can purchase your product with ease, right? So that one's awesome. Buy together, where you can use this URL to send traffic to a cart that combines 2 or more products. So for those of you that have a large catalog, this one's for you. Really trying to get that frequently bought together badge, trying to get people involved with your catalog a little more, be aware of all the products that you have to offer. And then finally, you're also able to do targeted ASIN search URLs, which generates an Amazon search result page URL that will have a list of ASINs that you specify, right? So, Helium 10's amazing. There's no question about it. Our team uses the platform like crazy. So that's the URL part of it, right? But then, another couple things that people bring up to us all the time when they're creating super URLs is they're always wondering, how do you pick a keyword to go after? How do you make that decision? And what we actually do is we use their keyword tracking tools as well to really just determine which keywords our clients and people that we work with have a chance on, right? So if you are on page 2 of something or on a given keyword, a super URL could be that boost to really put you on page 1, right? Really give you that chance to get you there. So that's one thing we really look at is like, is there a chance? Is there a chance to get on page 1? Is there a chance to make a difference when it comes to this given keyword? Our team will also usually use long tail keywords. The reason why we'll do that is obviously long tail keywords are going to be a little bit less competitive majority of the time. That's not always the case, but majority of the time it is. So long tail keywords usually have not that competitive edge. But what's also really great about long tail keywords is the short phrase keywords that are within that actual long tail keyword, they also get ranking juice from a long tail keyword. So to us, that long tail keyword is really strong because it encompasses a few different things. So less competitive, and then obviously brings in that short term phrase right there. Now, another thing our team will look at is search term reports within PPC. So if you guys aren't active on Helium 10, something you guys can also be doing is just seeing what keyword phrases, long tail, short tail, whatever you want to do. You can see, what are those looking like? What is showing up on my search term reports within Amazon PPC? And you can kind of gauge which one you are doing really well in and which one you can really just push to that next level. Now, of course, I can talk about super URLs all day long, right? But, you know, at the end of the day, you need to get people this super URL, right? That's the key. You know, you can create a super URL or want, but if no one has it, it's not very useful. So a couple of things that our team does to get super URLs in customers' hands is we will link it to email sequences. So for clients that have external emails, email lists, we'll go ahead and attach that in there. It's really great also for launching products, which is amazing. We'll also put them in Facebook posts, organic, and also ads, Facebook ads as well. So basically just giving them that opportunity to go ahead and shop on Amazon through Facebook. Another one that's really common is the swipe up with Instagram stories. So that one's really cool because it really just gives an opportunity to just swipe up really quick, takes them straight to Amazon. They can purchase your product with the keyword phrase hidden in the URL, which is really awesome, right? So, you know, at the end of the day, every single person has different assets. Every single business has different ways to go about it. Another thing that our team will sometimes do is we will create a mailer, and that mailer will have a QR code that leads to a super URL, right? Because they just scan that QR code and it takes them right to Amazon. You know, going ahead and using that URL that you have created, whatever that might be. So they don't have to type in that crazy URL that comes with super URLs. It's just attached to the QR code, which is awesome. So, you know, at the end of the day, you know, those are really big strategies we're doing right now. So I know a lot of you guys are probably like, I knew about super URLs, things like that. But trust me, GEMS takes super URLs to the next level. It's totally worth giving it a look, seeing if it's a great thing to incorporate in your Amazon strategies. And then obviously go ahead and use our tips there when it comes to actually implementing the super URLs, right? Because anyone can make a super URL, but you want to make sure you're getting it in customers' hands, which is key. Now, that's all I have for you guys when it comes to super URLs. If you have any questions about this, definitely feel free to reach out to our team. But that's all I have for you now. Thank you so much and have an amazing weekend. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Here at Turnkey, we are committed to bringing you the ultimate best. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe by hitting the bell here. See you in the next video.